Eliminate fire hazards and improve dryer performance. Prevent lint buildup to protect your dryer and prevent fires. Dryer vent lint is the #1 cause of appliance fires in the country. With professional dryer vent cleaning, you get peace of mind, fewer odors, better dryer performance, and lasts longer. Lower utility bills. If you're not scheduling annual dryer vent cleaning, you're doing it wrong. Now only $89 for up to 8 feet. Stay safe and keep your appliance in great shape by calling us at 410-413-3540 today.